if you want to examine a loose type of connective tissue proper, specifically your areolar connective tissue, then you can use whole mount sections of areolar tissue slice, such as this one. And then from 40x magnification, you can already see your bundles of collagen as well as your very thin, darkly staining elastic fibers, as well as your fibroblasts. But again, it is better appreciated using your high magnification. So here, and these hair-like strands are your elastic fibers, darkly staining, and then the pale yellow brownish thicker bundles are your collagen fibers, and the small dot-like structures will be your fibroblasts wherein you can see that their nuclei are darkly staining. So again, this is areolar connective tissue, loose. So again, these branching fibers would be your elastic fibers, darkly staining. And then this would be your fibroblasts. And these yellow, lacy bands will be your collagen fibers. Try to examine also if your section would have other immune cells in them. In this case, I'm not sure if I'm able to see some. And then the presence of blood vessels, such as this one, and this one, and this one, is also very common in areolar whole mount sections. So these are blood vessels. Okay. So you can see that in this type of connective tissue, there seems to be more cells than the fibers. Okay.